Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm a marketing director at Magneti. And in this video, we're going to show you the two easiest ways to get started recording yourself on video and getting out and doing some video marketing. The first is a platform we're all subjected to constantly, Zoom. If you're looking to just do a talking head like this right now and not show any visuals alongside it, Zoom is a really great platform. They do some things where it may slow down the resolution a little bit, so make sure your internet connection is really strong. But typically, this is going to be one of the easiest ways for you to hop on video and just record something really quick. I like to record on the cloud so that it's not stored on my desktop and I can save that space for accidental screenshots, files that I've misplaced, and inspirational quotes that I never read. But it's totally up to you. You can record locally as well if that works better. If you are looking to share your screen, we recommend not using Zoom. And the reason for that is because your head gets really tiny and the content gets really big. Not disastrous, but we found another tool, which I'll walk you through, that gives a little more of an even ratio. If you're looking to record with some content next to your head, perhaps a few slides like this, or some visuals, some super fancy charts and graphs, we like to use a tool called Soapbox from Wistia, which is great. It's a free tool. You can download it as a plugin, install it directly in Chrome. All you have to do is click on the little blue camera. Boom, you get a little window to record in. You go ahead and choose the window of the visual you want to have alongside your head. Select that. It gives you a nice little snapping countdown so that you know when things are ready to go. And then you can go ahead and record. The only con, I think, maybe to Soapbox is you can't actually see where your head is. So you may get a video first few tries like this where you're kind of looking around. You're not exactly sure where to look. It's something I still struggle with. When I look at the green dot, it's not quite perfect. If I look a little lower, that seems to be more of like making eye contact with my viewer based on my setup. Your setup may be a little different, so just experiment with it a little bit. On Soapbox, you can also just record yourself as a talking head with no visuals. It's a great platform for that as well. The great thing about Soapbox is once you're done, you can do a little quick, scrappy editing within the platform itself. Then it generates a URL that you can share with your coworkers if you're doing a quick little tutorial video, or you can download it and then go ahead and open it up in Premiere or iMovie or wherever you're editing your video. So you get a lot of nice options there. We love it. Soapbox by Wistia. There's a tutorial in the summary down below with a link to where to get that. And if you go to the blog post, there's a lot of screenshots that are super helpful. It can just show you how to set this up pretty seamlessly. Those are the two easiest ways we found. Super non-friction, very out of the box ways to get video on your computer. Keep in mind that video files are really big, so having a hard drive can be really helpful. Just a place to store files that isn't your desktop to save space for those quotes from Oprah that we all don't read. I hope you do some amazing video marketing that grows your traffic, brings in more leads, and makes all your wildest dreams come true. Hi, my name is Anthony.